Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
What's your full name?
My full name is Afsana Akhtar Uru.
Okay, very nice. What's your nickname?
My nickname is Afsana.
That's nice. Do you have any surname?
Yes, my surname is Akhtar.
Akhtar. Okay, sounds good. What do you do?
I am a student. I have just completed my SSC examination from Batera High School in 2025.
Okay, you know that this is your level test one, and
Yes.
now I'm gonna ask you some questions in Bengali, and you will have to answer me in English. Ready?
Okay.
Okay. আমি কবিতা লিখি।
I write a poem.
Okay, আমি কি কবিতা লিখি?
Do I write a poem?
আমি কবিতা লিখি না।
I don't write a poem.
আমি কবিতা লিখেছিলাম।
I wrote a poem.
আমি কি কবিতা লিখেছিলাম?
Did I write a poem?
আমি কবিতা লিখিনি।
I did not write a poem.
আমি কবিতা লিখব।
I will write a poem.
আমি কি কবিতা লিখব?
Will I write a poem?
আমি কবিতা লিখব না।
I won't write a poem.
ওকে, ভেরি গুড। আমার একটি ঘর আছে।
I have a house.
তোমার কি একটি ঘর আছে?
Do you have a house?
তোমার ঘর নেই।
You don't have a house.
ওকে, আমার একটি পুকুর ছিল।
I had a pond.
আমার কি একটি পুকুর ছিল?
Did I have a pond?
আমার পুকুর ছিল না।
I didn't have a pond.
Okay, please speak loudly. Your next question is, আমি রান্না করতে পারি।
I can cook.
আমি কি রান্না করতে পারি?
Can I cook?
আমি রান্না করতে পারি না।
I can't cook.
তুমি কি রান্না করতে পারো?
Can you cook?
তুমি রান্না করতে পারো না।
You cannot cook.
ওকে, আমি আপনার বন্ধু হতে পারি।
I can be your friend.
তুমি কি আমার বন্ধু হতে পারো?
Can you be my friend?
তুমি আমার বন্ধু হতে পারো না।
You can't be my friend.
আমার একজন বন্ধু থাকতে পারে।
I can have a friend.
আমার কি একজন বন্ধু থাকতে পারে?
Can I have a friend?
আমার একজন বন্ধু থাকতে পারে না।
I cannot have a friend.
আমি আপনার কথা বুঝতে পারছি।
I can be apprehending your speech.
ওকে, আমি কি আপনার কথা বুঝতে পারছি?
Can I be apprehending your thought?
আমি আপনার কথা বুঝতে পারছি না।
I cannot be apprehending your thought.
Okay, that's nice. Now we are going to move on for describing, and you have to describe about a topic. I'm going to give you a topic. You have two options. You can choose whatever you can say. The options are about yourself or about your favorite person. What will you choose?
I'll choose my favorite person.
That's nice. Please begin.
My favorite person.
And you have to speak loudly. Again, please.
Okay, today I'm going to talk you about my favorite person. My favorite person is my father, who means the world to me. He works hard, not for himself, but for us, his family. He is my superhero. He may not wear a cap, but his strange love and sacrifice make him more powerful than any superhero. Even when he is tired, he smiles and makes sure we are okay. My father never shows off, but I can feel his love in the little things. When he waits for me to finish eating, when he checks if I am sleeping well, or when he quietly stands by me during tough times. His trust in me gives me the strength to dream big. His presence gives me confidence, and his silent strength means everything to me. My father is my inspiration, my strength, and my silent support. I am proud to be his child. I hope one day I can make him as proud of me as I am of him. He is my silent support. That's all I can share with you at this moment.
MashaAllah, you did excellent. Please give a big clap for her. Okay, thank you so much. See you again.